Imagine a young man, barely in his 20s, facing the devastating news of infertility. It's a reality that can shatter dreams and alter the course of one's life in unimaginable ways. This was the reality for our patient, a brave young man who had undergone life-saving chemotherapy as a child. The treatment, while successful in eradicating his cancer, left him with a heavy burden to carry into adulthood. While the treatment was successful, it came at a price: his fertility. The chemotherapy that saved his life also damaged his reproductive system, a consequence he would only come to fully understand years later. This young man's story, though heartbreaking, is not unique. Many young cancer survivors find themselves in similar situations, grappling with the long-term consequences of their treatments. The emotional and psychological toll can be immense as they navigate a future that looks very different from what they had envisioned. Many cancer survivors face similar challenges, grappling with the long-term consequences of their treatments. They often find solace and strength in support groups and through extensive research, seeking out the latest advancements in medical science that might offer a glimmer of hope. Our patient, like many others in his situation, longed to have a family of his own. The dream of holding his own child, of experiencing the joys and challenges of parenthood, seemed to slip further away with each passing day. The diagnosis of Azoospermia, a condition where there is no sperm in the ejaculate, felt like a door slamming shut on his dreams. It was a harsh reality to face, one that left him feeling isolated and despondent. However, in the world of medicine, there is always hope. And for this young man, that hope came in the form of a groundbreaking new procedure: a sperm transplant using his own stem cells. This innovative approach offered a beacon of light in what had been a very dark time, providing a chance to reclaim a part of his future that he thought was lost forever. The procedure involved harvesting stem cells from his body, which were then carefully cultivated and reintroduced into his reproductive system. It was a complex and delicate process, but one that held the promise of restoring his fertility. For our patient, this procedure was more than just a medical intervention. It was a lifeline. It represented the possibility of fulfilling his dream of fatherhood, of building a family, and experiencing the joys of raising a child. As he embarked on this journey, he was surrounded by the support of his loved ones, who shared in his hopes and fears. Together, they faced the uncertainty with courage and optimism, holding on to the belief that science and determination could pave the way to a brighter future. And so, with the help of dedicated medical professionals and the unwavering support of his family, this young man took a step towards reclaiming his dreams. His story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the incredible advancements in medical science that continue to offer hope to those in need. Azoospermia is a surprisingly common condition, affecting approximately 1% of men worldwide. In the United States alone, this translates to millions of men facing the difficult reality of infertility. This condition can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetic disorders, hormonal imbalances, and blockages in the reproductive tract. For cancer survivors like our patient, chemotherapy and radiation therapy, while life-saving, can damage the delicate cells in the testes responsible for sperm production. This damage can lead to temporary or, in some cases, permanent azoospermia. The emotional toll of this diagnosis can be significant, often leading to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression. Before undergoing chemotherapy, our patient had the foresight to have his stem cells harvested and cryopreserved. This decision, made in the face of so much uncertainty, would prove to be life-changing. Years later, these frozen stem cells, brimming with potential, offered a way to potentially restore his fertility. The procedure itself involved transplanting the stem cells back into his testes. This minimally invasive procedure was performed with the hope that the stem cells would take root and, in time, differentiate into sperm-producing cells. The procedure represents a paradigm shift in the treatment of azoospermia, offering a potential solution where previously there were few. Stem cells are often referred to as the body's master cells. These tiny, yet incredibly powerful cells have the unique ability to transform into a variety of specialized cell types. They possess the remarkable ability to develop into various specialized cell types, including muscle cells, nerve cells, and even blood cells. This versatility is what makes them so valuable in medical research and treatment. For our patient, the focus is on their potential to become sperm cells. This is particularly significant because it opens up new avenues for treating male infertility. This unique characteristic makes stem cells a powerful tool in regenerative medicine. Scientists are continually exploring new ways to harness their potential to repair and regenerate damaged tissues and organs. In the context of male infertility, stem cell therapy holds immense promise. Traditional treatments often fall short, but stem cells offer a new hope for restoring fertility. By transplanting stem cells back into the testes, scientists aim to replenish the pool of sperm-producing cells, thereby restoring fertility. This process involves carefully injecting stem cells into the testes, where they can develop into functional sperm cells. While still in its early stages, stem cell therapy for infertility has shown promising results in animal studies. These studies have demonstrated that stem cells can indeed develop into sperm cells and restore fertility in animals. This success in animal models paves the way for human trials, like the one our patient bravely volunteered for. These trials are crucial for determining the safety and effectiveness of stem cell therapy in humans, and they represent a significant step forward in the field of regenerative medicine. Section 5. A beacon of hope, potential benefits and future applications. The success of this sperm transplant procedure could have far-reaching implications for men struggling with infertility. Imagine the relief and joy for those who have faced the emotional and psychological toll of being unable to conceive. This breakthrough could transform their lives, offering a new path to parenthood that was previously closed. For cancer survivors, it offers a chance to reclaim a part of their lives often taken for granted. The ability to father children after enduring the grueling journey of cancer treatment is nothing short of miraculous. It symbolizes a return to normalcy and a future filled with possibilities. It provides hope that the dream of having biological children, once shattered by the harsh realities of cancer treatment, can be rekindled. Couples who have faced the heartache of infertility due to cancer can now look forward to the possibility of starting or expanding their families, bringing immense joy and fulfillment. Beyond cancer survivors, this procedure could potentially benefit men with other causes of Azoospermia, such as genetic disorders or infections. The scope of its application is vast, offering a new lease on life for many who have faced the despair of infertility. It opens doors to personalized treatments tailored to individual needs. It could offer a viable alternative to sperm donation or adoption, allowing these men to experience the joys of fatherhood and pass on their genetic legacy. The emotional and psychological benefits of this cannot be overstated. The ability to have a biological connection with their children can strengthen family bonds and provide a sense of continuity and belonging. This groundbreaking procedure is not just a medical advancement, it is a beacon of hope for countless families around the world. Section 6. The long road ahead, current progress and ongoing observations. It's important to note that it's still early days in our patient's journey. While the transplanted stem cells have successfully integrated into his testes, and his hormone levels have returned to normal, we have not yet observed sperm production. This is not unexpected, as it can take several months for the stem cells to differentiate and begin producing sperm. We are closely monitoring his progress, conducting regular tests and biopsies to track the development of sperm-producing cells. The journey is ongoing, and we remain cautiously optimistic about the outcome. Section 7. Unveiling the unknown, the importance of continued research. This groundbreaking procedure, while promising, is still very much in the experimental phase. More research is needed to fully understand the long-term efficacy and safety of this treatment. We need to determine the optimal timing and dosage for stem cell transplantation, as well as identify potential biomarkers that can predict the likelihood of success. Continued research is crucial to refine the procedure, improve success rates, and minimize potential risks. This case highlights the importance of investing in scientific exploration and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. Section 8. Navigating the risks, addressing potential complications. As with any medical procedure, this sperm transplant procedure is not without risks. While the procedure itself is minimally invasive, there is always a risk of infection or bleeding. Additionally, there is a theoretical risk that the transplanted stem cells could potentially develop into tumors. Another potential risk is that the procedure may not result in sufficient sperm production to achieve natural conception. In such cases, assisted reproductive technologies, such as in vitro fertilization, may still be required. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations with patients about these potential risks and the uncertainties surrounding this novel procedure. Section 9. A new dawn for infertility treatment, hope on the horizon. This groundbreaking sperm transplant procedure represents a significant leap forward in the field of infertility treatment. While it's too early to declare it a resounding success, the initial results are encouraging and offer a glimmer of hope to millions of men worldwide struggling with infertility. This case serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of scientific innovation and the transformative power of hope. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the human body, we move closer to a future where infertility may no longer be an insurmountable hurdle,